What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about AgEagle, and boy do I have some absolute amazing information. And to me, it's an update and really a futuristic look at where this company is headed in a specific sector, and that's actually going to be the agriculture sector. You know, I'm excited for this. I really started to dive deep and found some amazing information on a report that was written in an article. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide all that information to you guys and really kind of unravel and talk about this whole entire thing. So if you're interested in AgEagle and you're interested in the ag sector, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. Before we start conjoining drones and the farming market, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to fly into this video. AgEagle. The term ag stands for agriculture, and it's obviously in the title of their name. And that was really a big foundation for this company when it was created. You know, obviously drones has been their, objective for a long period of time. It's been the objective since the company really was created. And obviously they threw ag into the name for a reason. So this is going to be a major part of the company moving forward. And obviously they must have known something, or it's just now starting to develop and they were well ahead of the game. Whatever it is, this is going to be very, very impactful. And once again, we've talked multiple times about the three sectors at which AgEagle is entering into. Obviously agriculture, they're entering into the hemp market, which I guess you could classify as the same, and then they're obviously entering into the package delivery. Those are three absolute amazing sectors, and this company has their hand and really are solidified in those sectors. So what I'm going to do is tell you exactly what this article and this report said, and we're going to break it down as I'm going through it. So swinging on over here. The Courier posted an article today, and the title of the article read, Agriculture Drones Market 2021 to 2026 Will Change the Future. Major giants, drone deploy, AgEagle aerial systems, and slant range. Now, when I saw that, I had two things that immediately popped into my mind, and two things that really, really intrigued me. Number one is going to be the timeline at which they gave. So obviously they're saying that this is going to start taking place in 2021 and it will be forecasted to 2026. That was definitely number one on my list. Now number two is that they considered AgEagle to be a major giant. And what really kind of intrigued me with that is you got to think Amazon has been in the game when you're talking about drones for a long period of time. And honestly, we know the connection. We know that there's rumors that AgEagle and Amazon are going at this thing together. But then you also have Google, who's also in this sector. You have so many other things and so many other companies that are involved in the drone market. And for them to consider AgEagle to be, what they do, they consider them a major giant. That is absolutely amazing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start really breaking this thing down. And I'm telling you, I was excited when I started reading this information, and it truthfully is kind of like peeling back the layers. Latest added agriculture drones market research study by Market Digits offers detailed product outlook and elaborates market review till 2026. The market study is segmented by key regions that is accelerating the marketization. At present, the market is sharpening its presence, and some of the key players in the study are drone deploy, AgEagle aerial systems, slant range, Atmos UAV, and Delaire. The study is a perfect mix of qualitative and quantitative market data collected and validated majority through primary data and secondary sources. So all the information that I'm obtaining from that mouthful right there is that basically a huge study was conducted. A bunch of regions were kind of tested, and some of the major players that were, basically considered for this study were drone deploy, AgEagle aerial systems, slant range, Atmos UAV, and Delaire. So that is a huge piece of information right there. And I really think that speaks volumes to where they really see AgEagle as a company. So continuing on, this report studies the agriculture drones market size, industry status and forecast, competition landscape, growth opportunity. This research report categorizes the agriculture drones market by companies, region, type, and in use in the industry, like I just basically said. And so I think right there, once again, it's speaking volumes to the company of AgEagle. It shows their weight within the sector. It shows their weight within basically the entire picture of drones. And really, you're kind of, when you're breaking it down too, you're talking for this study specifically, which is agriculture. So what the report covers is exhaustive analysis on, and I'm sure it truly was. I'm sure they really dove in to, in order to put a report like this together, you really are doing some tremendous research. So what it covers is agriculture drones market segments, agriculture drones market dynamics, historical actual market size, agriculture drones market size and forecast, agriculture drones agents current trends, issues, challenges, competition and companies involved, agriculture drones market drivers and restraints. So really a lot of information right there. Truthfully, a lot of studying is going into that. So the next major piece in this report is going to be the global agricultural drones market overview. So you're looking at the big picture of this entire report. So agricultural drones are on the brink of becoming the new workhorses on farms. With a focus on productivity and agriculture spiraling upward in the farming sector, drones could be the answer to improve automation and precise control of farm monitoring and operations. Already, robots are beginning to transform the way agriculture sector functions, and the advent of agricultural drones could take the change to a whole new level. I mean, if you really let that sink in, if these drones are starting to be applied to, one of our major industries in the entire United States, and it's going to be a lot more efficient. There's going to be a lot more abilities to be done with a drone. I mean, you're talking a lot more revenue. You're talking a lot more focus when it comes to growing the product. There's just so much that comes with this, and it really truly is exciting to see. According to the report released by Bank of America Merrill Lynch, the market for agricultural robots is expected to surpass $16 billion by 2020, up from $817 million in 2013. So that's a dramatic change right there. Agricultural drones are anticipated to account for a significant portion of the overall agricultural robots industry in the near future. Analysts expect the market for agricultural drones to receive a boost from government authorities, as it has a potential to employ close to 100,000 people in the next 10 years, thus contributing remarkably to the world's economy. So again, you're adding jobs and you're putting people in the position to obviously boost the economy. Those are all significant pieces of information right there. And I think when you're talking the farming sector in general, that's a big boost to the whole overall farming sector as well. You love to hear it. Companies have been quick in spotting this opportunity and have already lined up a bevy of agricultural drones, each designed for specific purpose for farmers looking to bring more technology to their farming practice. The market has just taken flight, with companies such as GoPro announcing the launch of drones in 2016. E-commerce websites such as Amazon and eBay have stocked commercial drones and are estimated to expand their portfolio by adding agricultural drones in the next few months. So think about that. This is a major piece of information written in a report that isn't just any report. This is a agriculture absolute amazing report, and I'm going to read that again. It says that e-commerce websites such as Amazon and eBay have stocked commercial drones and are estimated to expand their portfolio by adding agriculture drones in the next few months. So we're going to break this down a little bit more, because obviously, like I said earlier, there is a massive rumor and a lot of connections and a lot of dots that can be connected that lead Amazon to the likes of AgEagle for many reasons. Now, this is just another dot that can be connected, because obviously we understand how heavy AgEagle is into the drone sector when you're talking agriculture. I will be breaking down those actual drones towards the end of this video, but that is a massive piece of information that just was added to this report. So continuing on, agricultural drones are likely to be among top revenue generators in overall commercial drone industry. There are several operations on a farm where the use of drones can improve the status quo. For instance, drones can be used for thermal imaging to tell which patches in the farm need more pesticides or water, or by providing information on whether specific sections of the farm have distressed crops. Farmers can also use thermal imaging provided by agricultural drones fitted with infrared cameras to determine when the time is ready to harvest crops. So again, you're taking technology, you're incorporating it into the farming industry, and you're really going to be developing something absolutely special. This is absolutely amazing, and like it says, 2021 is going to be potentially the start, and it's forecasted to run to 2026 and beyond, obviously. These are things you want to hear, especially in a sector that is very, very early on in the infant stages. So AgEagle not only helps to capture critical crop data, we help you understand it and put it to work. That is amazing. Since our founding in 2010, AgEagle has earned distinction as one of the agriculture industry's leading pioneers of technologically advanced drones and aerial imagery-based data collection and analytics solutions for the precision and sustainability farming markets. We are trusted to help the world's growers proactively assess and manage the health of commercial crops, reduce the chemicals in produced foods and products, and preserve and protect natural resources. So right there basically covers a lot of that information that I covered in that report, and really focuses on right there how they are leading in the industry. I think that's amazing, and that speaks volumes for this company. In addition, we are at the leading edge of providing state, territorial, and tribal departments of agriculture, growers, and processors with oversight, compliance, and enforcement solutions relating to the United States emerging hemp cultivation industry. And we know about the industry itself, and we know about, how AgEagle has their hand in it. And it sounds like to me that they're continuously growing on this. Obviously, we know what kind of operation they have going in Florida, and it sounds like they're looking to expand into multiple states beyond that from their last quarterly earnings call. So that right there is positive as well. So now what we're going to keep doing is we're going to talk about the crop registration oversight and compliance. AgEagle is intent on leveraging our ag tech expertise to champion to use our proven advanced web and map-based technologies as a means to streamline and ultimately standardize hemp and other government-regulated crops, cultivation, regulatory oversight, compliances, and enforcement. Growers need to be registered, permitted, crops need to be monitored and inspected, and enforcement operations must be established to ensure compliance with anticipated state and federal mandates. So you really have a lot of expectations, a lot of things that are put in place, and obviously AgEagle is going to assist and help with that. And I think that's amazing. Through the introduction of our solution, Hemp Overview, AgEagle represents the first agriculture technology company to bring to market an advanced ag tech solution that is designed to meet the unique complexities of the emerging American hemp industry and the needs and demands of the key stakeholders. And so like we said before, this is an ever-growing, obviously, sector, and AgEagle has their hand on it. Like I said, they honestly have talked about the expansion that they're already working on in their last quarterly earnings call. They're looking to expand into multiple states, and they have a big-time operation going in Florida. And so I think that right there speaks to the volumes of where they're at in the ag and hemp sector. And it's amazing to see that they are considered a huge player in this field. So AgEagle has created two drones that are obviously very well known within the sector itself when you're talking agriculture. And so I'm going to break those down and provide some information on both those drones. Swing it on over here. The first one up is AgEagle RX60, the most durable, lightweight, 7 pounds, professional grade aerial imagery collection technology on the market, capable of pinpointing areas of crop stress before they can be seen by the naked eye. Electric powered and encased in carbon fiber, the RX60 is designed to fly up to 60 minutes and can capture virtually thousands of high resolution NIR/NDVI aerial images and cover up to 400 acres on a single battery charge. So you're talking some amazing abilities and some amazing things that the RX60 can do. And now you're going to be talking about the AgEagle RX48. Smaller than the RX60, but no less rugged and definitely no less reliable. The hand-launched RX48 weighs in at only 4 pounds and is constructed of a highly durable polypropylene material covered with a composite layer of extruded polypropylene, and carbon fiber rods embedded in the wing and fuselage. The RX-48 was designed to cover a minimum, just a minimum, of 250 acres per battery charge, equipped with a true NIR, which is near infrared, global shutter sensors that are capable of extremely accurate prescription maps. So you're talking two very effective, two awesome drones in the sector of the agriculture industry, and they do amazing things for farmers. So as you can see why AgEagle is doing so well in this sector and why a lot of people resort to them when you're talking agriculture. I really appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on AgEagle. This is definitely one of my favorite stocks. This is a stock that I'm really excited about for the future. I'm excited anytime news breaks on this because I truly think that this sector is going to be very special, to a lot of people. I think it's going to provide a great service, and I think drones themselves are going to be very impactful in the history of the world. I think they're going to start to do some amazing things, and we just got to continue to develop the technology. We got to continue to get the approvals and things like that. So that's, it's going to be amazing to see the steps that are taken in order to get all this, accomplished. I'm excited for it. I truly am, and I know many of you are excited as well. I do want to remind you I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain. And you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.